you realize I defined a apply button here, and by changing values, by applying, set any background color for my label to the text. Instead of that, for setting apply, actually we could copy the code for each change of slider. It is very simple. I double click on my apply button. This is the code. Just right click copy, and you could paste on each scroll bar. And let's try, is it working or not? Macro, run macro, and start changing. As you see now, it is lively working and it is very great. But note that we have some limitations for updates, and sometimes might not working, and sometimes even not work at all even with the button. What do I mean by that? As an example, if I go to the Visual Basic and here double click on my form, change the procedure to initialize. Allow me to find that, okay. And set application dot screen updating equal false, which I introduced previously for optimization. Now my live update won't affect it here. Allow me to run the macro. Red, you see, it's not working. Even if I press apply, you won't see the result. However, it is applied, but you won't see unless close the application here. If I close this form, there it is, you see? It is updating, but not lively. So it depends on your code. If I close, you will see the result. So keep in your mind, what did you run? Allow me to go to the Word and run the macro to make sure it is live again. Alright. And even some kind of, for example, selection. If I hold on the Alt or Option key and start selecting, allow me to go to the Home to show you it is working here. But if I go to the developer macros and run my macro, it won't affect it. Even the screen updating aren't disabled, and if I press apply or close, yet nothing happens. I just quickly mention about that why it is not updated or affected. If I click on the record macro, macro 1 is okay. Hold on the Alt option and select and stop recording. Go to the Visual Basic and macro. As you see, nothing affected here. Because this type of selection, it is totally different with regular selection. So you have a limitation here, which in the future I will give you some solutions about special selections, special conditions, how you could handle it, what's exactly the limitation, and how you could solve that.